bedroom from chaos to calm. That is the plan. So hopefully this is going to give you lots of cleaning motivation and some laundry motivation as well. We have a huge pile of clothes to be folded. The kids have been jumping off the bed into this pile, so the pile's got a little smushed, but it's giant. And here it is, that giant pile of clean laundry, several loads out of the dryer that got plunked onto the bed and then got later plunked onto the floor, and that got jumped on numerous times by the kids. Oh my goodness, the room has just been a disaster. Clothes all over the floor, things piling up on every surface around. The bed's a mess. Night tables are a mess. We've got bottles from the night before. Oh my goodness gracious, pillows in the corner over there. This is a desk that we're going to put downstairs eventually, but right now it's up here. Oh, to get started, we make the bed. Always a great thing to do, just to get that bed made. It's not a sheet changing day, so we're just making the bed so that I can use it also as a surface for the crazy amount of laundry that I have. Oh my goodness. Okay, are you guys ready? Are you going to clean along with me? Are you going to grab a pile of laundry to fold? Because I hope this can be lots of motivation for you, either to join me or else you can watch now and get motivated to do something later in your own home. All right, everybody, let's get cleaning.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want.
All right, everybody, so this is day 2. It is Saturday morning, and we are going to finish up this bedroom. The only difference is I made my bed, but I had to make it around my daughter. So Madeline is actually sleeping right back there. You can see her. Too funny. Anyways, she sleeps through everything, so shouldn't be a problem. And we are going to get this bedroom finished up from chaos to calm. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad to have you here. My name is Heather, and I'm a stay-at-home mom of 2 little ones. Madeline, the sleeping one, is almost 3, and Hudson is 5. So my channel has lots of cleaning motivation, organizing, decluttering, home decor, holiday decor, as well as real life messes and real mom life. That's right. It's all about being real, being authentic, and knowing you are not alone. All right, so I really hope that you enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel so much. And if that sounds like the kind of content you'd love to see more of, please subscribe.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love. I've been waiting all my life for someone like you, like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted and blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love.
And here it is. Ta-da! It's clean. Oh my gosh. This is actually the first time that our master bedroom has been fully set up, put together, decorated, pictures up, plants out, decorations out, accessories, etc. All of it. Oh, and it feels so good. I mean, this is the space that you go to sleep in it at night and wake up to in the morning. And if it can be calm and peaceful, it just helps the mind be calm and peaceful as well. Because when we have that visual clutter around us, it just makes us feel more anxiety, more stress, and we want to not have those feelings in the bedroom. So I hope you're able to get some motivation to maybe get some of your own spaces decluttered, cleaned up, looking pretty again, and that laundry folded and put away. I swear, laundry just never goes away. Thank you so much for watching. I was so glad you were able to join us today, and we'll see you all next time.